Okay guys, today I will show you how to make a healthy dessert which I named Carrange. First, you wash 4 carrots. You peel them and cut them into small pieces. This is a healthy dessert because it has no sugar and is a mix of fruit and veg. The carrots are good for the eyes and have a good source of many vitamins, especially vitamin A. The oranges have a good source of vitamin C, and the raisins have a good source of vitamin B and are dried grapes that are sweet and are an alternative for sugar. This dessert is very nice and is very easy to make. Now you boil the carrots in around half a glass of water until they are cooked. You will know when it is cooked because it will be soft. Now you cover it up and let it heat up. Every once in a while you need to stir the carrots. It will take around 10 minutes for the carrots to be ready to blend. Let me see how my carrots are doing. The carrots are very easy to cut. And the water's turning a bit yellow. Those are 2 signs that my carrots are ready. Now, you turn off your cooker, you let it cool down and transfer it to your blender. Now you pour the carrots and what's left of the water into your blender. You add 2 glasses of orange juice. And 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now you blend it until it is a liquid. When you have blended the carrots, orange juice and corn flour, you pour the mixture into a pan and heat it up for around 5 minutes until it is thick and creamy. You will know when your mixture is ready because it will be very thick and creamy and it might even start making bubbles. When your mixture is ready, you pour it into your cups. When you have poured the mixture into your cups, you add some raisins. We use raisins because it is sweet and an alternative for sugar. If you like, you can add some nuts or coconuts.
Because I like this dessert, I have written a poem about it. Carrange. Carrange is a healthy dessert. Anything unhealthy we can convert. This dessert is very sweet and also lovely to eat. This pudding is so nice. It's so good you'll want it twice. Put in the fridge to enjoy cold. The flavour will be very bold.
Oh yeah, you let it cool down, cover it in foil and put it in the fridge to enjoy it cold. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this dessert.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification and like this video. And please comment on what you want us to do next.
Thank you.